A factory reset erases all custom settings and restores your Lorex Dome camera to its default configuration. This is crucial for troubleshooting issues or preparing the camera for a new user. Before resetting, always back up any important footage to the cloud or an SD card, as the reset will delete all stored data. Also, ensure the camera is powered on throughout the process. For a physical reset, especially on older models, locate the small reset button, usually a pinhole on the camera's base. Using a paperclip, press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash or the camera reboots. This will erase all settings. For newer models from 2023 onward, you can use the Lorex Home app. Navigate to Device Settings and select Factory Reset. Confirm the action to wipe the data. After resetting your Lorex Dome camera, the first step is to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. Use the Lorex Home app's setup wizard to guide you through this process. Next, re-add the camera to your Lorex account through the app. This enables remote access and control from anywhere. Enter your account credentials when prompted. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication in your Lorex account settings. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Finally, update the camera's firmware to the latest version. The app will automatically prompt you to do this after reconfiguration, patching any security vulnerabilities. If you encounter issues during reconfiguration, check your camera's power supply or try a hard reset by unplugging it for 30 seconds before plugging it back in.